Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if Microsoft Team app microphone not working on your Windows system. If you are trying to join a meeting and microphone not working on your Microsoft Team app, then here in this video we will see various workaround to fix this issue. And the first one is go to the start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings page. Here from the left side go to privacy and security. Click on privacy and security. Here from the right side, go to app permissions and here click on microphone. Here make sure that microphone access and let app access your microphone, both the feature is enabled. Also against Microsoft Teams app, turn the toggle button on. If you found it in off mode, then turn on this feature and check whether your Microsoft app microphone not working error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose device manager. And in device manager, go to the audio inputs and outputs driver section, expand it and right click on your microphone driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. And check whether your Microsoft Team app microphone working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key. And here from the left side, go to Windows Update. Click on Windows Update. And from the right side, click on check for updates. And if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Scroll down and you will find the option advanced options. Click on it. Scroll down and click on optional updates. And if any optional updates available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated OS update may be a cause of various features not working properly. And check whether your microphone working or not in Team app. If not, launch your Team app and start a meeting. Create a meeting or join a meeting. And as soon as your screen will appear, from the top menu bar, you will find the option mic. Click on a small arrow and change your microphone. If you have selected other, then choose another microphone installed in your system. Change it and also update driver of the same feature in your device manager and check whether your Microsoft Team app microphone working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to settings, click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, click on apps. From the right side, choose installed apps. In search field, type Team and click on 3 horizontal dot against Microsoft Team and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and make sure that microphone is enabled and also scroll down and go to the reset section. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair. And if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Choose reset. A pop-up window will appear. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Choose reset again. And if your microphone in Team app not working after resetting and repairing, then uninstall Microsoft Team app from your system and go to Microsoft Store and install a fresh Microsoft Team app for your system. First uninstall it and reinstall a fresh version.